Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a question that pops up a lot whenever personal finance apps are involved. Is it safe to connect your bank account to PocketGuard? Let's face it, handing over your hard-earned money's digital address feels like giving a stranger the keys to your safe. But hold on, before you hit that delete app button, let's unpack this a bit. In today's digital age, managing finances involves a tightrope walk between convenience and security. We all want the ease of tracking expenses on the go, but surrendering control over our bank accounts feels risky. So, is PocketGuard different? Breaking down PocketGuard, what it does, and how it works. PocketGuard is a personal finance app designed to help you, guard your pockets. It tracks your spending, categorizes transactions, identifies areas to save, and even negotiates bills on your behalf. Sounds pretty handy, right? But to do all that, it needs access to your bank account information. Here's where things get interesting. PocketGuard utilizes a method called account aggregation. Basically, it acts as a middleman between you and your bank. You provide your login credentials to PocketGuard, which then uses them securely to access your transaction data directly from your bank servers. Is account aggregation safe? The pros and cons weighed. Now, the security of account aggregation hinges on two main factors. Encryption. PocketGuard, and any reputable finance app, should use robust encryption methods to scramble your login information. This way, even if someone were to intercept the data, it would be unreadable without the decryption key. Think of it like sending a coded message, only the authorized recipient can crack it. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone, before accessing your account. It's like having a double lock on your door. Even if someone has the key, they'd still need the code to get in. So, from a technical standpoint, account aggregation can be safe as long as the app implements strong encryption and MFA. But security isn't the only concern. Let's talk about trust. Trusting PocketGuard, who are they and what's their track record? Before handing over your bank login, it's wise to do some research. Here's what to consider. Company reputation. Look into PocketGuard's history. Are they a well-established company with a clean track record? Checking reviews and industry awards can be a good starting point. Data security practices. Does PocketGuard have a clear and transparent data security policy? This should outline how they collect, store, and use your information. Look for a website section dedicated to security or search for their privacy policy. User reviews. While not foolproof, user reviews can offer valuable insights. See what other people are saying about PocketGuard's security measures and how comfortable they feel using the app. Alternatives to account aggregation. Are there other options? If you're still squeamish about account aggregation, there are alternatives. Manual data entry. You can enter your transactions manually into PocketGuard. It's a bit more tedious, but it keeps your bank login information out of the app entirely. Limited access. Some banks offer the option to connect with finance apps in a more restricted way. This might allow PocketGuard to see your spending categories without revealing your full account details. The bottom line, is PocketGuard safe for your bank account? There's no single answer. Security is a continuous process, and reputable finance apps like PocketGuard invest heavily in safeguarding user data. However, the decision ultimately comes down to your personal comfort level. If strong encryption, MFA, and a good company reputation put your mind at ease, then PocketGuard could be a valuable tool for managing your finances. But if the idea of giving any app access to your bank account makes you uneasy, there are perfectly viable alternatives. Remember, financial security is paramount. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and choose the method that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and financially empowered.